Hello guys, this is Divya Jyoti and I welcome everyone back to my YouTube channel, that is the Techies Voice. Today in this video, we'll be learning about Selenium WebDriver, some points related to it, and how to install Selenium WebDriver. And also, we'll be discussing how to import the WebDriver.jar file into an Eclipse project. So let's get started with what is Selenium WebDriver and how to install and what are the advantages and disadvantages. So guys, Selenium WebDriver is a popular tool in Selenium community which has got introduced in 2008. So let me write all the points here so you guys can just follow up. The first point, it is a popular tool. It is a popular tool. Sorry for the spelling mistake. It is a popular tool in Selenium community which got introduced in the year 2008. Okay, so WebDriver is a popular tool in Selenium community which got introduced in the year 2008. It is developed by Jason Huggins and Michael Stewart from Google company. I hope you remember in the very first video I have told you it is developed by Jason Huggins and in the year 2004. But Selenium WebDriver was introduced in 2008. So I think I don't want to rate this point because even in the first video I've written this point. So just remember that Selenium WebDriver is developed by Jason Huggins and Michael Stewart. So okay, Michael Stewart is another new name here. Let me write. It is developed by Jason Huggins and Michael Stewart in the year 2008 from Google company. Okay, so it is developed by Jason Huggins and Michael Stewart in the year 2008 from Google company. Then it is not a GUI based and a playback tool. Even guys, you remember in the second video which is uploaded in the Selenium tutorials, you might have seen the second video. Just go and refer the differences between Selenium IDE, RC, and WebDriver. You can see that I have mentioned there. It is not a GUI based and a playback tool. So it is not a GUI based and a playback tool. Okay, guys. And it is a collection of code Java libraries which supports only web applications. I repeat, it is a collection of code Java libraries which supports only web application. Which supports only web applications. Okay. So now coming to the advantages of Selenium WebDriver, it's an open source tool. Okay, I'll write here all the advantages. Okay, advantages. Open source tool. Next advantages. Supports multiple browsers like Chrome browser, Opera, Safari, and IE. So supports multiple browsers like IE, Chrome, Opera, Firefox, and even Safari. It supports any language like Java, Python, C++, Ruby, PHP, and Perl. So it supports 14 different languages. It supports 14 different languages that are Java, Python, C++, Ruby, PHP, and Perl. Java, PHP, Ruby, C++, and so on. Okay. Also, it supports multiple operating system. Also supports multiple operating system. Multiple operating. It supports mobile application and also supports secure web application. Supports mobile applications and also supports secured web applications. Example: https colon double slash some uh, link followed by https and some secured link, maybe a banking application or maybe some secured applications like an ATM or any server applications kind of things. Now moving towards the disadvantages of Selenium WebDriver. So it's not a UI based tool and it's not a record and playback tool. So guys, here as I told you, here in this advantages, uh, and if you see here all the introduction to Selenium WebDriver, in the third point if you see, I'll just write here, it is an disadvantage. So this particular point, the third point, is a disadvantage of Selenium WebDriver. So now moving forward, we'll discuss about how to install Selenium WebDriver and how we can import it in the Java project or a new Eclipse project. Okay, so let's have a look into that. Let me delete from the screen. I hope you guys have noted down the points or you have taken the screenshot, or else play the particular or take back and check again. So let me delete all details from the screen. Okay, so now let's discuss the installation, how to install the Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so installation of Selenium WebDriver. So guys, I'll be telling out the points. So note down the points. Even I'll show you the video how to install the Selenium WebDriver. So first of all, for installation of WebDriver, navigate to google.com. Then search for Selenium WebDriver download. Now let's search for Selenium WebDriver download. As you can see here, when I search for Selenium WebDriver download, I get several links over here. These are all the links I get. And we'll have to go and click on the first link. I'll click, see, is the first link. I click here and I get it here. Okay. So you get it from selenium.dev/downloads and again a slash. Then what we do is in Selenium server grid section, click on the link 3.141.59. So guys, see here, I was talking about the Selenium server grid. The Selenium server is needed in order to run remote Selenium WebDriver grid. And this is the latest stable version 3.141.59. So I'll click on this. Okay, let me open. See, it's here and it's asking for this type of file can harm your computer. Do you want to keep Selenium server standalone jar anyway? Keep. Okay. So guys, this is now downloaded here, and after downloading, so you have seen that how to download, and now let's see how to install it or how to import it into a new Eclipse project. So to import it in the new Eclipse project, first what I have to do is I have to go to the Eclipse and then I have to open Eclipse. So this is my Eclipse IDE 2020-03. It will take certain time for coming. Okay, let's wait. It will open shortly. Okay guys, so I'll go and create a new Java project. And project name as Selenium demo, and everything is here. Tool, finish. I don't have to create the info demo. See guys, here I have created a Java project. Okay, and I'll do what I do is I click on right click over here. After right clicking on project, I'll go to build path. I'll go to build path, then I have to go to configure build path. So guys, you can see here, I'm here right now in the configure build path. Now in the build configure build path libraries, I have to add external jars. So this is here, I'll go to libraries. I'll go to libraries. I'll go to here. Okay, you can see here. Okay, guys, you can see here module path and class path. So under module path, I have the GRE system library. So under module path, we will be having all our programs related things. So I'll be adding the external jars over here. So let's do one thing. I'll go and click on add external jars. Okay. On downloads, let me see here, guys. Selenium server standalone 3.141.59 is now downloaded here. Now I'll open it. As you can see here, it's now I have added this external jar over here under the module path. Apply, apply and close. So I see the moment I open here, reference libraries, it's coming Selenium server standalone 3.141.59.jar. And see guys, it's already now been installed, and see all the related jar files are already here right now. Okay, so this is how basically we need to do it. So I hope you guys have seen how, like, what is Selenium WebDriver and how to install it, then how to import the same WebDriver jar file into a new Eclipse project, how to import that. So hope you guys have understood this video. If you have any concerns, do comment in the comment box for installations and configuring into a Java project. So if you guys like this video, do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope you guys grow in your career and understand this video properly. So any comments or any feedbacks are most welcome. So if you guys wanted me to be in direct touch with you, please do ping me at pdivyajyoti772 at the rate gmail.com. I'll be giving my email ID again here. Okay, it's pdivyajyoti772 at the rate gmail.com. And I wish you guys all the very best and good luck for your career. Thank you and have a great day.